Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply vitamin E in hair. First, you can apply vitamin E oil directly to your scalp. Take about a quarter-sized amount of diluted vitamin E oil and gently massage it into your scalp using your fingertips. Use circular motions to help with absorption. You can leave this treatment on for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a more intensive conditioning. Afterwards, simply rinse your hair with a mild shampoo and style, as you normally would. Another effective way to use vitamin E is by mixing it with a carrier oil. Combine a few drops of vitamin E oil with 1 tablespoon of a nourishing carrier oil like coconut, argan, jojoba, or sweet almond oil. This blend not only dilutes the potent vitamin E, making it easier to spread, but also infuses your hair with additional beneficial nutrients. Massage this mixture into your scalp and work it through to your hair ends. You can also easily incorporate vitamin E into your existing hair care routine. Simply add a few drops of vitamin E oil to your favorite shampoo or conditioner before use. For a more intensive treatment, mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil into a deep conditioning mask. Apply the enhanced product as you normally would, allowing it to sit for a few extra minutes to maximize its benefits. This simple step can significantly boost shine and hydration. Vitamin E offers several benefits for your hair. It acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to support a healthy scalp and promote hair growth by reducing oxidative stress. Regular application can lead to increased hair shine, improved hair strength, and a reduction in frizz. For best results, consider applying vitamin E treatments a few times a week. If your hair is particularly dry, you might even apply it every other day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.